Hello people who search the interwebs, my name is Natalie. Welcome back to my channel. Sorry if you can hear my fan in the background, but it is too hot to turn it off if it gets more annoying than this, then I'll turn it off. But today I'm going to be doing a room tour. This is my room at my dad's house. A little sneak peek. But if you guys want a part 2 of my room tour at my mom's house, comment part 2 down below. And hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure to subscribe, give this video a like if you enjoy it, and let's just get on with it. I've never been to my house before, and in my room you would probably hit the edge, which is fun. This is my bed. I've pretty much only ever had this bed. Obviously my mom's house have a different bed, but like growing up, this was my bed growing up. It's from Pottery Barn. It has a trundle on the bottom, so if there's like it looks like a drawer, and there's a mattress in it. Maybe I'll pull it out for you guys. Let's see. Oh my gosh. Alrighty. Ooh, there's hair. Yummy. But there's just a mattress in there. And the mattress is very uncomfortable, so I feel sorry for my friends who have to sleep on there. But it's there. I feel like I used to have sleepovers all the time. I don't have sleepovers very often anymore. I kind of just like hang out with my friends and then come home. So, yes. This is my bed. I need to get new bedding. This bedding is from IKEA. It's very old, but it's cute. It has little colors in it. And then this blanket I got a long time ago for Christmas. And my room used to be turquoise and hot pink. So this is a hot pink blanket with little elephants on it, because you'll notice that I love elephants, but this fan is annoying. Oh well. But I flip it so you can just see the fuzzy side. And then I have a stuffed animal, or had a stuffed animal problem. You'll see where I keep all the rest of them when I was younger, and I refuse to throw them away still to this day. So I just keep 2 stuffed animals. There's a little penguin and a little sea lion, and then there's this pillow, which is from Target, and then some pillows back there. And then, does anybody remember Happy Nappers? The OG, they flip and then they turn into a pillow. Yeah, OGs. And then a giraffe. And then I have French Bulldog sheets, because why not? Next, over here, this is where I keep all of my cords. It's very lovely. And then there's this sign used to be up in my room. You can see where it used to be hot pink right there. And I don't really know if I want to put it up yet, so it's just kind of chilling there. Also, my room is not done. Like, I want to put something behind the TV, and then I kind of want to do something else on this wall, and we're not really sure if we like those shelves, but you know, comment down below any room ideas. But I have all my stuffed animals here. I have these fake flowers that I'm going to put up on the wall. This is all of my SAT prep stuff. And then my books I've had to read for school, because I don't read normally. This is my jar of coins. I got my TV remotes, all my beaded bracelets, a little box, and another thing. And this is all like, there's trash in there, that's nice. And my old journals and everything. And then these 2 bins, there are 2 separate bins. They're from Pottery Barn. And then there's a scrapbook down there. On top, I got a candle. This is Winter Candy Apple. It's a Christmas scent, but it smells amazing. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. This is my favorite scent. Winter Candy Apple, and you can only get it at Christmas time. So I stocked up, and this is my last one, and I'm very sad about it. I always have a cup of water, always. I have some rings, Polaroid, and then I have this little sign, which I got for Christmas. I have no idea where it's from. My Polaroid's from Urban Outfitters. I have no idea where the case is from. But again, it matches my old room. It's hot pink. But I need to take more Polaroids, because I want to make a Polaroid wall. It says everything is possible, even the impossible, which is from Mary Poppins. So, yay. This I've had when I was younger. It has like all the scenes from Peter Pan. It did break, but that's okay. I'm going to glue it back together. But it's super cool. My dad got this for me as a gift. And then here's a picture of my best friend, and then my other friend, who's actually her sister. And then this little tree is from Home Goods. And then this little thing, this little girl, sounds weird. My grandma gave this to me. It used to be like blue, but then my mom and I painted it black, and then we painted little flowers on it, and it's super cute. Turn around, and then I have this jewelry organizer, which is from Amazon. And I think I already have like all my videos planned out for like the rest of July, August, and September. So I'm gonna be doing a jewelry collection in September, so stay tuned for that. And I have my window. It's massive. Takes up almost this whole gigantic wall. And I have special blinds that go down. They can go up, or you can like do half down, half up, and then have like light coming in from the top and the bottom. It's great for filming. And then down here, this is like a little kit from Anastasia. It had 2 pallets in it. But right now I keep extra camera equipment, even though I'm filming on my phone because my computer's being wonky. Also, it's easier to vlog on and film on my phone than it is on the big DSLR. But here there's nothing. I don't know what to put in here. This is a giant chapstick. If you watch my videos, you know I'm obsessed with this chapstick, Aquaphor. There's a little N from Home Goods. And then this is a candle that I hollowed out, or that I used the whole thing of. And this is where I keep all of the extra Aquaphors. So that's lovely. And then this thing, you can like eat on it, or you can have your computer on it. Just like a little bed stand. So it's like amazing for online school. And I have my fan, which is usually what's loud in my videos. But I just keep it right here. Only in the summertime, because my room, like this is the front. Like if you go out here, you can see like the driveway and like all the other houses. And so it gets very hot in here because the sun comes in this way. And so it's like 5 degrees hotter in my room. And then in the winter time, it's like 5 degrees colder. So this fan is very helpful in the summertime. My desk, I did a whole makeup collection. I'll link it and press the I if you want to see that video. But on top of here, I have my computer, more Aquaphor. I just have randomness. I kind of showed you guys what was on top of it. I have some pens. This is an emergency kit for a video, a little sneak peek. I'm gonna be doing what's in my emergency kit video. Got my makeup brushes, my lamp from Target, my desk is from Ikea. I have no idea where the desk chair is, but it has a little fuzz. My bullet journal, some calculators, nail polish, tissues, things. This drawer is from Amazon. Then you get to my nook. So my desk used to be in the nook, and then I moved it. And so it actually like it's like a little nook. It goes like in, and then it goes around. So I have my TV, and then up top of there is a Roku stick. So I have Netflix, YouTube, Hulu, Plex, Disney Plus, everything. And then I used to collect, again with my stuffed animal collection, and I love Disney. I'm standing on here, used to collect these things called Zoom Zooms when I was like 10, and I don't know what to do with them. So this is a C. My name does not start with a C, but I want to get an N, and a cool N that looks like maybe lights up or something cool, or like paint an N, so it could be like NC for my initials. And then I have my 2 pairs of Disney ears that are like the headband ones, which are from Disney, and this is from a little shop. And it's like the things that are the flippy ones. It's super fun. And then my bean bag. My birthday is August 20th. My grandma gave My grandma gave me this about a month ago. And it was an early Christmas present. I have no idea where it's from, but it's just this giant bean bag, and it's so comfortable. I got this blanket for Christmas. And then this is Bulldog back here. And I have an extra blanket, extra pillow. But this looks like my baby. And it's from Dave & Buster's. How fun. And yeah, he's just back here. And then I have this little thing, more stuffed animals, and more like blankets. Those are like my baby blankets. And then there's a pillow in here that I made my dog, even though my dog is at my mom's house. I still have it. Picture I need to hang up. This little thing opens. That's how I got the stuff in there. And this is from Ikea. This is from Home Goods. And then these, oh no, this pot is from Michael's. Flowers are from Joann's or Hobby Lobby. That little thing is from Home Goods. And there's the TV. Also, I'm gonna say right now, I'm Native American, and so these are all like Native American dolls. So I have 3 of them up on the wall, and then the little plates, the wire plates, and then little dolls that are all like hand painted. They're beautiful. I love them, and I like to display them on my wall because I feel like nobody else has this in their house. Next is my closet. I'm gonna do a whole closet tour in the last week of August. I think I have that planned, so stay tuned. I have these clocks on the wall, and they used to actually tick at the time. The Paris, like whatever time it was in Paris, whatever time it was in New York, whatever time it was in London. But 1, they were very annoying for filming. You could hear the ticking in the background. And 2, at night, it was so loud because there was 3 clocks like ticking, and they weren't all like aligned. So I took out the batteries, but they still look good. It says Paris, New York, and London, and it looks really cool. Oh. And the lights casting a shadow. And then over here, I have my penny board. I don't know why it's in here. Oh no, I made a TikTok, you know, a TikTok where it's like the tail stuff is like he got down, or it's like Romeo, and then you push the thing and it goes backwards and it's like thing. Yeah, I don't know how to explain it. Anyways, this little thing is from Target, and I'm gonna get some more baskets that all match. Currently I don't have that, but I have like different clothes and other things, bags. This is the bag I bring back and forth to my parents' houses. My sewing machine, some fabric to make some more masks with, because I make masks for my family. If you guys want a tutorial, comment down below, but I feel like there is a lot of mask tutorials, but if you guys want me to make one, I can. If not, then I won't even bother, because I feel like there's so many online. But there's some more fabric in there. This little sewing kit, my bag, which I did what's in my bag, so if you want to see that video, check it out. These shelves, comment down below if you like these shelves. I don't know if I like them that much, but I have more Native American little artwork. This is a little bobblehead that my grandpa gave me. London, a horseshoe that says Natalie, and I got this on a field trip in like 4th grade. A little Paris Eiffel Tower, and there's Eeyore. He's in the tower, how cute. And I have a Roo because my nickname is Roo. And then this my grandpa also gave me. It's just a little devil from ASU, because I did look at ASU as one of the colleges that I might go to, and just have the little things because he worked there. So he just gave me the little decorations. And then this is my old Disney ears. They say Roo on them. They're Winnie the Pooh, who is my all-time favorite Disney character. And then up here, when I was young, when I redid my room to London, Paris, New York themed, I made a tribute to the old teal room. So that's what all that is. There's pictures. That duck is from the Sugar Factory. And when I was at the Sugar Factory, I met the guy who played Aaron Rodgers in Mean Girls. And so I got a little duck to remember that. I made this when I was younger, elephants. A little sign my grandma gave me. And yes. I'll show you this area, but I made sure to take everything down that revealed anything where I lived. So I have this medal that I usually keep up here, but it has my sports team, my softball team that I played on. So I'm not gonna show you guys, and also this says my school name on it, so we're not gonna show that. But this just my Falvin Raven Kanken bag, my Disney bag, more bags. I collected bags, I don't know why. A bunch of shoes, my Bath & Body Works Air Sense, my bucket hat, this little thing's from Home Goods. Used to be hot pink, is now black. And then I have all these pictures of my friends. There's my best friend, she's beautiful. I don't even know if she's watching this. But I have like my grandma, my uncle wanted me to have this when he passed away, so I have it hanging up here. More Native American artwork, Disneyland, more Disney. This is all the pins that didn't fit on my pin thing. Bands, Eiffel Tower, keychain that my grandma gave me, and I have a silver one somewhere. And yeah, I have this lanyard, and then that says Paris, New York, and London. Woo! Now we're back at the door, so get out of my room. Bye. I'm totally just kidding. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I thought that a room tour would be cool, and I've never filmed like a vlog style video like this. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys want me to vlog, I think that could be fun to try a vlog. So if you guys want me to vlog, then comment vlog. So creative. Down below, make sure to subscribe. I try to upload on Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday. Sometimes I don't get to it. Sometimes I'm busy, but I'm trying to pre-record right now so that I always have extra videos just in case I can't film or edit or upload. And hope you guys enjoy this video. Give this video a like, subscribe, push the notification bell. That would really help me out a lot. And we are trying to get to 50 subscribers, which is, you know, not a lot, but I'm appreciative for each and every single one of you. And if you comment, I'll try to respond to it. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye.